Oh my gosh, finally. Vlog live. Okay, this is our room. Ooh. Ooh. We have the most expensive. Oh, wait, we take a bath. Dude, okay, wait. You can see me taking a bath. That's cute. Ooh. A picture right there. It's sprinkling a little right now, but
dude, the pool.
Yeah.
I want to swim across the pool.
When I'm walking in the shower, you're gonna see. Y vamos a ir a rezar después de todo lo que va a pasar esto. We're gonna eat some Japanese food, but we're trying to look kabuki. We're trying to look for the restaurant because we don't know where to. My professor's not even on yet. When you are eating dinner in Cancun but are also on Zoom. Oh my god. Good morning vlog. Good afternoon. Oi. Right now we're getting ready. I'm so puffy. Right now we're getting ready because we're gonna go down to the pool, beach. I'm wearing Melissa Simone bikini.
Okay. A little less crusty, but still crusty.
All right, ladies. OOTD night 2 outfit.
Oh, say where it's from? The top is from H&M. Bottoms are from H&M. Shoes are from
Lulu's. Jenny.
Okay, my outfit, my dress is from Lioness. My shoes are from Steve Madden. And my purse is from Zara.
Okay, me bodysuit Zara, skirt Princess Polly, and shoes Glassons. How do you say it?
I think it's Glassons.
Whatever. Purse Mielma, or is a sister. Mielma Goodwill. Anyway,
We're going to eat dinner.
we're gonna go have Mexican food
Yeah.
in Mexico. You know, Nelly doesn't like her belly button.
It's weird. I wish mine was like, look how deep mine is. Like, you can fit Disneyland in there.
Wait, let me see it again.
Look how deep. Jimena Barro gets exposed.
Good morning. Super foggy today.
I'm not gonna be able to see anything.
We are going paddleboarding.
Paddleboarding?
No?
Snorkeling.
Oh, I don't know what we're doing today. We're doing something fun. We're going
Snorkeling.
snorkeling. That's what it is. Las bonitas. Okay.
I think we're at the wrong spot.
Yes, we should be over there. That's what I was thinking.
Se vale bailar, se vale cantar.
Say less.
No se puede esfumar a bordo o saltar en la lona.
Okay, so Cindy's gonna jump off, but I'm filming her. Okay, they're all getting ready to jump the freak off. Where is Cindy?
Let's see, we're Cindy. Just getting ready.
Y los tubos.
Nada más bajan 3.
Sale, amigo,
Sale el ojo.
por favor.
Para tu staff. Hola.
¡Santo Tomás! ¡Yo quiero más! ¡Yo quiero más!
Let's go. It's over here. Bye.
Few moments later.
Es que no me duele, solamente la
Oh,
raspada.
no.
Para...
What happens when you're in Cancun and you have homework? You're here and everyone else is there. And there and everywhere else. But you're here. Do you guys see that? It's like red. And here. And here. Oh my god.
Did you get bit by something?
Do you see under my lip? It burns. Right here. And then here. Do you guys see that? It was so Qué huele. Yes, bitch.
Como tú gustes. Duele más parado, pero. Es en la pompa. Porque es a donde más músculo hay. Y te va a doler menos.
Okay. Okay.
Te puedes dejar presionado acá para que no te sangre tanto. Si quieres, descansa tantito.
¿Ya está?
No, ya.
I'm getting massages today. How exciting. Oh my god, what is this? Censored. OTD, Cancun. Breakfast last day. Chilaquiles con huevo. No. Papas con chorizo, fruta, cinnamon roll, baked goods, green juice, water. Was it good? It's our last night here. Gracias. Just got back from dinner. Tonight is our last night here, which means, excuse me, I need a burp. Which means we have to put all this trash away. We have to put away all our stuff. We left a mess. We bought stuff we didn't even use. Our shoe collection is insane. Anyway, it's been fun. I just posted a picture on my Instagram and it looks like I got lip filler. Let me show you. And I swear I didn't. Can you see? It's like red all around. I still don't know what I'm allergic to or what happened. But Cancun, 1, Cindy, Yaneli, Jenny, 0. We're leaving.
¿Cómo puedo ir a la recepción?
Ok, yo me desocupo como unos...
We're landing. Yaneli is right there. Jenny and her family are in the back. We came out of the wrong gate, so no, my mom can't find us. But